Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about how to construct a Turing machine for performing the multiplication. Let's see the example. If I want to perform multiplication, some 2 into 3 or something, then what I want to get, I should get 6 as an output normally. So what I will do is that the 2 I will represent as 1 1, okay, and a 3 I will represent as 1 1 1. Now I should get 6 as an output here. So then meaning is that in the output I should get 6 ones. That is our objective. So input I will represent as an unary number, and output also I am getting as an unary number. Now usually how we will do 2 into 3 or anything, normally it is meaning that 3 plus 3 if you do it also we will get 6. Am I right? So same principle I will use it. Okay. If I want to do 2 into 3, meaning is that 3 can be added twice so that you will get a 6. So how can we perform this operation in a Turing machine? We will see now. We will first discuss the procedure, then we will construct the Turing machine. Let's take that I have 2 ones which is an input, and I have a 3 ones for an input, another input. Now you have a 0 for separating both the inputs, or it will act as a delimiter. Now you will have 0 here, and you will have certain number of blanks, okay, and this side also you will have certain number of blanks symbols, okay. Now you can ask me, sir, this side you kept only 2 blanks, this side you kept so many blanks, why so? My objective is that here I want to keep the output. So that's why this is the first input separated with a 0, with you got another input. Now this side I want to keep output, so I kept here 0. So this will separate the inputs, both the inputs and also the output. So that's why I have taken these many blank spaces. Here I want to store the 6 ones which will give the output. So now first what I will do is that when my tape header is pointing to this one, the first one I will make it as a blank. Okay. Then any number of ones I will keep it as 1. A 0 I will keep it as 0. Now I got this 1. So what I will do is that these ones, all ones I will keep here for first time. This 1 is there. So for this one, what is the number of ones here? I will keep exactly here. So I will get 3 ones. Okay, I am telling. Then again I will come back. Then I will take this one. I will make it as a blank. Then again all these ones I will place here. So what will happen? I will get 6 ones, and these ones also we will make it as blank, so that at the output you will have only ones, because your input also consists of ones and your output also consists of ones. So what I will do is that all these inputs I will make it as a blank at last, so that you will have only outputs ones only. See, let's see how it will work. Okay, so first one I made it as a blank, rest of the ones and zeros I make it as same. Now this one I will make it as x, okay, this one I will make it as x. Any number of ones I will keep it as 1, and 0 I will keep on moving to the right. So what I will do here is, for first blank I will make it as a 1, move to the left. So this one I kept here, okay. So this one, this blank I modified it as a 1 and moved to the left. Any number of zeros you keep it as it is, any number of ones you keep it as it is. When you get a x, make it as x, move to the right. This one again you modify to the x, okay. Then keep on going. Whenever you get a blank, you modify it to 1. Then again you keep on going to the left till you get a x. If you get a x, modify it as x, means just make it as a x only, move to the right. If you get a 1, make it as a x and move to this, change this blank to 1. So what I have done in the first iteration, all these ones I made it here. I will keep on moving. If I get a 0, I will keep it as 0, move to the left. If I get a x, okay, then I will keep it as x and I will move to the right. Okay, if I get a x, I will keep it as x, move to the right. Now if you see that I got a 0. So if I got a 0, then what I will do is that I will keep it as a 0, move to the left, because again these 1 x's I have to make it 1, such a way that in second iteration I can keep all these 1's here. Are you able to understand? So while going left, I will make all the x's as 1's. Okay, 0 as it is, 1's also as it is. Okay, the blank is there, that blank I will keep it as a blank, move to the right. So if you see that all x's became as 1's, and here you have 1's, 3 1's are there. So these 3 1's we have replicated here, and these x's we made it again 1. So next in the second iteration what I will do, this blank again I will make, this 1 I will again make it as a blank. Okay, then again same procedure, 0 I will keep it as 0. Now this 1 I will make it as x, keep on moving to the right, okay, till I get 1's, 0's, everything. Once I get a blank, I will modify it as a 1 and keep on moving to the left. If I get a x, I will make it as x, move to the right. Now I got the 1. This 1 I will modify it as x and keep on moving to the right. If I get a blank, I will make it as 1. Okay, again I will go. If I get a 1, I will modify it as x, and this side the blank I will make it as a 1. So I got 6 1's as an output. Okay, then what I will do, I will keep on moving to the left. If I get a 0 here, I will keep it as 0 and I will move all this one, because it is a second iteration, it will run. This will become 1's. Okay, then this is 0. If I get a blank, then meaning is that all 1's are completed. I will move to the right. So at the initial stage you are here. See, I'm just telling this 0, what you will do, you will make it as a blank in the next iteration, and these 1's you will make it as a blank. This 0 also you will make it as a blank, and you will get this 6 1's. Are you able to understand? The process is very simple. This first one, whenever it is the first one you got, you make it as a blank. So how many times you have to repeat this process? You have to repeat how many 1's are here. Are you able to understand? Suppose if it is 4 into 3, it is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Am I right? Then only you will get 12. So how many 1's are there? Those many times these all 1's should be placed here. That is the simple objective. So this 1 I make it as a blank. All these 1's I shifted here. Okay. Then again I came here. Another 1 is there. So this process, all 1's should be kept here. Are you able to understand? That is the simple objective. So with this procedure, we will discuss how to construct the Turing machine for this problem. Now please listen. Let me change it, everything. So I hope you have understood the procedure. If you does not understand, don't worry. I will discuss the Turing machine. I am in the initial state Q0. I am in the initial state Q0. My tape head will be pointing to this side. So whenever I got a 1, what should I do? I should make it as a blank and move to the right. So this one I changed it to a blank. Okay, and go to the Q1. Any number of 1's, you make it as 1, move to the right. So this one is done. Now you'll come here. If you get a 0, make it as 0, move to the right, because we are not modifying the 1's and 0's. Okay, are you able to understand? This one. So now you got these 1's. Are you able to understand? This 1 you have shifted, and this 0 you have shifted to the right. And then Q2, what should you do? If you get a 1, what you have to do? You have to modify it as x, move to the right. Okay, Q3. So here you are. Now what you should do, if you get any number of ones or any number of zeros, you have to simply search for the blank. So any number of ones you will make it same as it is. Even zeros we does not bother. We'll move to the right. Okay, whether it is 0 or whether it is 1, I will keep on moving and I will search for a blank. If I get a blank, what should I do? I have to modify it as 1, okay, and move to the left. This blank I modify to 1, move to the left. So the tape header is pointing to here. So you are in the state Q4. If you get a 0, make it as 0, move to the left. Okay, this 0, you are making it as 0, move to the left. If you get any number of ones, make it as 1, move to the left. So all ones are finished. Now you are searching for a x. If you search for a x, you keep it as x, because again you should go here, not here, because all these ones should be placed here. So if you get a x, keep it as x, okay, move to the right. Are you able to understand? This x you will reach finally, because all zeros you are shifting and all ones you are shifting. So then this x is there. This x, you make it as x, move to the right. So the tape header is pointing to here and you are in the state Turing Q2 in the Turing machine. Now again the same process will be applied. 1 you will make it as x, move to the right, and you will search for the next blank. This blank you will modify it to 1, and again you will move to the left. All zeros, all ones you make it as zeros and ones only. She'll move to the left. Then you will search for this x. X you will make it as x, move to the right. Again you got the 1. Are you able to understand? This one again you make it as x, move to the right. If you get a 0, keep it as 0, move to the right. If you get a 1, make it as 1, move to the right. If you get a blank, you make it as a 1, move to the left. I am moving to the left. Okay. If I get a 1, make it as 1, move to the left. 0, make it as 0, move to the left. So you are here. So you are reading x, keep it as x, move to the right. So you are currently here. If you see a 0, what is the meaning? And you are in the state Q2. If you see a 0, what is the meaning? All the ones you have successfully placed here. All the ones are finished here, and those ones you kept it in the output. So what should I do again? These x's, again I have to go for here, find the any one is there in this side. So that if I find any another one, all these ones which are there here previously, they should be kept again. So what I will do is that if I find a 0 here, I will make it as 0, move to the left. Okay, and I will reach to a state called Q5. Okay, and I am here. If I get any x, means if I get a x, I will make it as 1, move to the left. So all the x's will be made it as 1s. Okay, all the x's will make it as 1, and if you get a 0, make it as 0, move to the left, so that this one will be done. If you get a 1, make it as 1, still move to the left. Are you able to understand? This all x's I have made it as 1s and move to the left. Just if it is not visible, I will just write here 0, 0, L, 1, 1, L, or you can write like this, or just whether it is visible or not, I don't know, so that's why I am writing here. So if it is x, I am modifying it as a 1, move to the left. If it is 0, I am just making it as a 0, move to the left. 1, I am keeping it as a 1, move to the left. If I keep on moving to the left, I will get a blank here. So what I will do, if I get a blank, okay, I will keep it as a blank, move to the right. So when I am in Q5 state, the tape head is pointing to here. So if I get a blank, keep it as a blank, move to the right. So you are here. Again this process will be repeated. If you have a 1, you will make it as a blank, move to the right. Any number of ones are not there here, only 0, so keep it as 0, move to the right. Again q2, 1 to x, 1 will be modified as x, okay. Move to the right, all these things will happen. This blank will be modified it as a 1. You will keep on moving to the left, okay. Any number of ones, you will keep it as ones, move to the left. 0, you will make it as 0, move to the left. X, you will make it as x, move to the right. And this 1, you will make it as x and move to the right. This one will be made, this will be done, and this will be done, okay. Again you got a 0. After this one, again you will get a 0, so keep it as 0, move to the left. Now you are in the state q5. X's, all x's 1 will be shifted to 1s, and zeros you will make it as zeros and move to the left. 1 you will make it as a 1, move it to the left, okay. Then you will get a blank here, okay. All the x's I again made it as a 1, keep on moving to the left. If as I get a 0, I will keep it as 0, move to the left. Again I reached blank, make it as a blank, move to the right. So my tape head is currently pointing to here, okay. My tape head is currently pointing to this one. I am in the state q0 and tape head is pointing to 0. If I get a 0 here, what is the meaning? All the ones are finished here, okay. All the ones are finished. So the meaning is that I have placed all the output. Now what I will do is that this 0, because only these 6 ones should be there. Even this 0 you can keep it as 0, but better left hand side everything you make it as a blanks. So if you get a 0, make it as blank, move to the right. If you get a 0, make it as blank, move to the right. So this blank 0 I am making it as a blank, okay. Now you are in the state called q5 is there. Let me make q6, okay. This q6, this one you are done, you will get number of ones. All the ones, okay, you make it as a blank, move to the right, okay. All the ones you make it as a blanks, move to the right, okay. Then you are in the state called, okay, let me write this one here so that it will be avoid the confusion. 1, you make it as a blank, move to the right, you will get a 0, okay. Again make it as a blank, move to the right. Means all the ones are finished and zeros you make it as a blank. Now you are in the state q7. So this is your output will be starting. So you can consider this as an accept state, but when we are constructing, it is a transducer, so you will not have any final state. But here if you get, you can see the entire output. After that, this blank 0 also made it as a blank. So if you see that only 6 ones are there, so we should get output as 6, so that we have 6 ones. So I hope everyone has understood how I perform the multiplication, or I can say that it is a unary multiplication. However, we have performed 2 into 3, we got 6. So with the help of Turing machine, we have performed the multiplication. So I hope everyone has cleared any doubts. If you have, all the doubts would have been cleared by this time. If you still have any doubts, feel free to ask it in the comment section. I will clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.